एक सॉन्ग
हाँ.
बैंगलोर फैंस के लिए
Bangalore.
डेडिकेट
ठीक है चलो, I'll sing 3 songs, not 1 song.
ನೀನಾದೆನಾ ನೀನಾದೆನಾ ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಜೀವನ.
सो ऐसा कौन सा गाना है जो आप पर्सनली सुनते हो टू अपलिफ्ट योर मूड?
It's a cool song. I just heard it like a few days back and I'm hooked on to it. Laka 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 vibe hai.
On Super Hits 93.5 Red FM, we are with the one and only Arman Malik. Thank you so much for joining us today, Arman.
I'm super excited to be here. What's up?
Really excited to know about how it was in Paris. You were just there for Emily in Paris. Can you tell us first about how that went?
Actually, I was in Rome for Emily in Paris. Their premiere was in Rome, and the main character I think goes to Rome. So इसलिए उन्होंने
Is now going to be in Rome.
yeah, she watches it. She knows what's up, like Ashna does. But yeah, we were there in Rome. It was beautiful and great to walk the red carpet with Ashna as well. Yeah.
Absolutely. And going into your super hit song, which is Tera Main Intezar. Now, can you tell us a little bit about the lyrics? You've written quite a lot about it.
Tera Main Intezar is a very, very special song. It's Amal and I coming together after a very long time, and it's done incredibly well, especially on the radio. You guys have been supporting it so much and loving it so much, so thank you for that. And overall, I think just the kind of love that the lyrics have gotten, the video has gotten, and also my singing in it has transported people back to the OG, the Bol Do Na Zara and that era of my music, and I'm glad that I was able to tap into that. A lot of my fans were missing that zone from me for a very long time. So yeah, I'm glad that we put out a song like Tera Main Intezar and it's done really well, and thank you to the audience for giving it so much love.
Your first song as an artist was Bam Bam Bole. So can you tell us like how old were you and how your experience was recording this for the first time?
I was 9 when I sang the song. I remember it very clearly. Shankar Ahsan Loy were the composers, and Amir sir was in the studio. Tare Zameen Par was the movie. So he was very involved in the process, and हम लोगों ने ये यशराज स्टूडियोज़ में रिकॉर्ड किया था. And अभी भी बहुत vivid है मेरे दिमाग में that day. There were 4 of us, 4 kids who were singing Bam Bam Bole, and Shan sir was singing the main parts. It's just beautiful that I got to start my playback career with such stalwarts in the industry right at the onset of my career, and just at the age of 9. And then after that, obviously there was Bhootnath Mein Mere Badi with Amitabh Bachchan sir, which was a duet with him, and Chiller Party I sang one song, and then obviously from there the journey didn't stop. And I'm thankful for that.
Absolutely. And your recent collab, I mean, you were on stage with Ed Sheeran. You want to tell our listeners about what that experience was?
It was a really incredible experience for me as an artist. I think there could be no greater feeling than to be on stage with someone that he has looked up to, and as an artist I've always wanted to collaborate with him. Little did I know that I would not only collaborate with him but also go on to perform on stage in none other than my hometown, which is Mumbai. It just felt like a very celebratory moment for all of us. I don't think Indian music has had that kind of moment before. I'm glad that the song that we did together, while he sings in English, I'm singing in Hindi. And I did a little bit of some classical touches in my performance as well, because I knew that when this video goes out to his audience, I want them to know the Indian the nuances that we put into our singing and the stuff that we add in our music here. It's really beautiful when you are on a stage with such a big artist and इतने लोग देख रहे हैं और वो जानते हैं आपको सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं कि 2 इतने अमेजिंग आर्टिस्ट एक साथ आए एक स्टेज पे. So it was a beautiful moment all together, and I think it'll go down in history books for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes. And RJ Priya has a couple of...
I can see that she's very excited.
Yeah.
कुछ
I'm gonna
है
make you sing.
questions?
I'm gonna make you sing. Is that okay?
Yeah.
ठीक है. एक सॉन्ग बैंगलोर फैंस के लिए
Bangalore.
डेडिकेट
ठीक है चलो, I'll sing 3 songs, not 1 song. I'll sing her favorite Bol Do Na Zara, one for the Kannada fans,
Yes.
And one will be Tera Main Intezar.
Done.
Awesome. Let's start with Bol Do.
इतनी मोहब्बत करो ना, मैं डूब न जाऊं कहीं, वापस किनारे पे आना. मैं भूल न जाऊं कहीं, देखा जब से चेहरा तेरा, मैं तो हफ्तों से सोया नहीं, बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं.
Well, that was for her.
Oh my god, thank you.
Now I'll sing something in Kannada.
Yes, please.
ನೀನಾದೇನಾ ನೀನಾದೇನಾ ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಜೀವನ, ನೀನಾದೇನಾ ನೀನಾದೇನಾ ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಜೀವನ.
That is so cool. Watching you sing live is just so
Thank you. Thanks so
cool.
much. Now
अच्छा.
जिस गाने का इंतजार था तेरा मैं इंतजार.
Yes.
3 गाने में प्रॉमिस किया.
Yeah.
तेरी हर सांस को बता दे हक इन पे बस मेरा, अगर ये बात सुन रहा है वो खुदा, तेरा मैं इंतजार हूँ कर रहा तुझी से फिर भी प्यार हूँ कर रहा, तेरा मैं इंतजार हूँ कर रहा तुझी से फिर भी प्यार हूँ कर रहा.
Wow. हो गया आपका कॉन्सर्ट उधर ही.
For a live access to
I know,
Arman Malik.
right? अच्छा ठीक है. So ऐसा कौन सा गाना है जो आप पर्सनली सुनते हो टू अपलिफ्ट योर मूड?
खुद का गाना है या जस्ट इन जनरल?
Whichever song motivates you. Does your own song motivate you? Like
There's obviously for inspiration there is Besabriya from MS Dhoni, which I think really inspires me.
Yeah.
Something that gets me in a good peppy mood is Buddhu Saman from Kapoor and Sons. So yeah, these 2 songs from my discography, I
Okay.
find it very uplifting.
and some other artists?
There's this song that I'm really like totally into right now. वो कौन सा था? तामड़ी चामड़ी ना? तामड़ी चामड़ी.
क्या आप गा सकते हो?
वो नहीं मैं भाई उसमें कुछ गाने को है नहीं एक्चुअली, उससे लका 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 वाइब है. But it's a cool song. I just heard it like a few days back and I'm hooked on to it. It's a very cool song in Marathi.
अच्छा ठीक है. So बैंगलोर आए, यहाँ पर 2 चीज़ें आपने एक्सपीरियंस करनी है. One is the weather, second is the traffic.
Yeah.
So traffic में बैठे बैठे
वेदर बहुत अच्छा है, ट्रैफिक बहुत मतलब अमेजिंग है.
कोई So Bangalore traffic is officially amazing because Arman said so. तो ट्रैफिक में बैठे बैठे आपको कुछ ऐसा सॉन्ग है जो आप ट्रैफिक को डेडिकेट करना चाहोगे?
तेरा मैं इंतजार हूँ कर रहा,
waiting for me to reach the hotel, waiting for the signal to open. It's crazy.
Nice
The kind of traffic that's there in Bangalore is just unreal. मुंबई को भी बीट करता है वो.
या आप तो ट्रैवल करते रहते हो तो सब जगह से बेस्ट है यहाँ का ट्रैफिक.
हाँ बेस्ट, मतलब ऐसा स्वादिष्ट ट्रैफिक मैंने लाइफ में नहीं देखा.
Now since you spoke about स्वादिष्ट, एक क्वेश्चन हमारे फूड के लिए भी.
हाँ.
Have you tried रागी मुद्दे?
Yes, I was just going to say that's one of my favorite stuff. I love ragi in general. I have ragi
Yes.
dosa, ragi idli, ragi mudde is also very very cool.
रागी मुद्दे with what?
I think with ghee I have it with and
Okay.
a little bit of like.
What kind of curry?
Curry nahi. I don't. मतलब I like having it with ghee and a little bit of like gunpowder or something.
Yes,
Yeah.
gunpowder. Okay,
Yeah.
superb. Filter coffee try की?
Try किया है, हाँ.
Alright,
But
so
मैं कॉफी का इतना बड़ा fan नहीं हूँ.
thank you so much, Arman, for joining us. Eno Vantara. Do you know what that means? Kannada, have you picked up few words?
Little bit. I mean, I don't know all of it. What did you say right now?
Eno Vantara, matlab
Eno
something
Vantara.
something.
अच्छा something. Eno Antara.
I know, it feels so special. Now, I think with your songs, with your voice, you make it seem as if you are singing just for that person who is listening to that
I
track.
mean, I'm glad that I'm able to do that. That's really special. Thank you.
Superb. Thank you so much, Arman.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.
हुक हो गया हूँ तेरे साउंड पे 93.5 रेड एफएम
बजाते रहो.